Here I have OPPO Reno6 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button iComfort. Just tap on it, then select if you want to set it on a scheduled time or always on, and after that this mode will be enabled. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can select color temperature, you can add a schedule for it, you can enable or disable colors, you can set it to be black and white or colorful. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.